We make sure they stay in the bowl.
You can pick any color.
Green.
You're no out.
Excuse me, we're still in production here. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 7 of quarantine. I figured since I'm stuck in the house, I might as well find something to do. So I'm going to be making chips today that I saw on YouTube. This is supposed to be like a healthier alternative to eating chips because, you know, regular chips are processed. So we're just going to make our own from home. I have a clean potato. I have this mandolin thing, shout out to Britt. We're gonna do 2 different batches. We're gonna try and do garlic. And we're going to do sea salt. You have to put them in a coat of oil, but I cook with coconut oil. So we're going to scoop some of this out, heat it up, and we're gonna spread it all over our chips. We're gonna get a pot of boiling water going. And then we have the oven preheating to 425 degrees, I'm sorry. So let's get started. Now I never used this before, so I don't know how this is going to work, or even. Now I've seen some videos of them like peeling their potatoes, and other videos they don't. So I guess it doesn't really matter. But this is how thin they're going to be, and then I have a plate over here that we're going to put them on. You can also use like a regular knife, but you just have to be careful to not cut your fingers and or like cut the potato wrong. We have a plate, and then the purpose of putting them in the boiling water is to like get all that, I guess, starchy feel off of them. So we're gonna assume that this is hot. They're all kind of sitting in the bottom. I'm just gonna put the rest of these in there. I really hope they taste good because I've been waiting to do this for a very long time. And then she's helping me from way over there. I know they have to dry.
Okay.
And that's my brother. That's what the plate. Oh. Ready. But I guess I'm not really sure if you guys can see the difference. This is a cooked one that's hot, and this is a non-cooked one. Potatoes that we have in here, we have to dry them. So we're gonna scoop these out. Little by little. I want to make sure they're all nice and spread out so they can dry. I have a bowl here, and we're just going to put them here. Oh, it's still a little wet. So I probably should have did this already, but we're going to scoop some of this out so we can coat them. Okay, it's not all the way melted, but gonna be enough for today. I'm just taking it and I'm like mixing them in here. Potatoes, they're still potatoes right now. And mix the oil. Then we're gonna add some salt. Oh gosh. We have our first tray. We have wax paper on here. I'm not sure if this process can be done without wax paper, but if you don't have wax paper and you want to try it, let me know how it goes. So we're just going to layer these on here, single chips, and we're going to bake them for 15 minutes. So I feel like that's enough on here for now. So let's get them to the oven. You can do them for like 7 to 15, or we're gonna do 7 and then we're just gonna check on them later. And 1 potato is enough. Like at first I thought, I bought 2. And I was like, oh, like, you know, we really love chips in my house. And I didn't think 1 potato was gonna be enough, but since they're cut so thinly, that 1 potato is good.
What? What is going on? I think I'm gonna do that.
In the video, she put it in the oven. I did what I saw.
I don't think it's the wax paper.
What is it? I don't know what just happened, but I mean, as you can see, they were starting to get a little crispy. I don't know. This is why I don't go in the kitchen. I just finished taking the garlic ones out of the oven, and my mom is going to taste test them for us.
Let me see. I got, okay, my bad.
How do they taste? Do they taste garlicky?
Taste good?
Good. Very good.
Oh, good.
Garlic.
Garlic. They're not that garlicky.
When you come home from school, you now have
Wow.
the whole world as a distraction. But,
Garlic, pepper.
so yeah.
What about garlic?
They're so good.
No.
I'm putting them in this
You
little
could
container.
put that on them because you have to put oil on them to bake them. So if you put the garlic spread on it, that might work.
Yes.
But
So as I wrap up this video, we're going to...
coconut oil burns the oven. They can't, I don't think it's coconut oil.
At,
You just gotta do them thin, that's all. If you want them crunchy.